eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwatokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri gobusongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Chitaika cha butokire isato igure Chinsa Isano na Ibere cha bono mugasori tukiriya Jumanne chitariki 24 mutinyo gatano na rimu mwaka wa 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge nchabuna butambe ngathire ni Nyaboga ve ni Nyaboga cross umuntu wabo manyerero na boga balna basonari cross studio akabere nero kone kyabuna chibichana Mario gingo ikirachira asenchira eriyo wekranu karanso ke obena intogo ika omwero na togo cha kanigo obomo bwa ba bishop kanisa ya Catholic Gose Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops KCCB bare asege karo ase bagendete gukwanira abakenya gosaba na inji igoro yo burendi bwense aba bishop abo nigo bakwanire ogoito kwa basaye bagenzi chinga kibakorobekana nabo igo obotumiki wabanyanyimbo chinga kichingwetania ekerengo.
It has now been 1 year since our young people, often referred to as Gen Z, took to the streets. By and large, the protests began as a peaceful protest against rising taxation, lack of opportunities, and what they described as a system that increasingly ignores their voices. They were expressing what many Kenyans had already felt and expressed. These youth-led demonstrations reminded us of the power of civic consciousness and the rightful place of young people in shaping the country's direction. However, the protests soon degenerated into violent encounters and brutal use of force, leading to a huge loss of lives, especially of the young people. As bishops, we appeal to the youth to exercise their rights peacefully and within the law. Since then, the church and other civic actors have sought to engage them meaningfully, offering platforms for dialogue and participation.
Security forces have, in several documented cases, used excessive force against protesters, activists, and citizens seeking transparency. We have also seen the slow or non-existent prosecution of individuals implicated in corruption or the misuse of public office. These contradictions erode public trust and breed resentment.
Our brothers, sisters, priests, sons, and daughters, and friends who deserved protection and justice. The cold-blooded shooting of Boniface Kariuki by a police officer at point-blank range is most shocking. Security officers are sworn to protect, not to harm. When those charged with upholding law and order become the source of fear and injustice, it signals a moral crisis in the state.
Muraibu ya Kenya omoske Daktari Samuel Ruto nigo ainekeire abo kiombe kia abanyanyimbo oburendi nabo igo ogosiro kora ase serikali kokwana imambia rero kora se nyomba yobora ya State House. Ruto nigo aburi abantu gotiga gotumeka egekuba gotia ase abanyanyimbo chinga kibakurobekana.
We have sufficient infrastructure to make sure that this happens within the law. I am very proud of what our policemen and women have done in Haiti, for example. Kenya was chosen amongst many nations because we have a professional police service that works within the law, that operates within the parameters of the requirement of human rights, and to make sure that our nation is managed in a manner that respects the law, but makes sure that we are a stable, progressive, and democratic nation. So to IG and your team, you have my support 100% to secure this nation and to operate for all of us, every citizen. Nobody is above the law. None of us is above the law. You cannot intimidate the police. You cannot use force against the police, or insult, or threaten the police. You are threatening our nation. Because these are our frontline defenders of our rights as Kenyans and of the right of this nation to be peaceful and to be secure. So, ladies and gentlemen of the police force who are here today, of the police service who are here today, I want to give you my assurance that as you secure this nation is going to make sure that you are also.
Muwaziri boburendi bweme Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo atabire serikali wetera wizara y'oburendi bweme ni leta yare kumbura familia chiricha basabe kegoriya genzi basireti amagimabo chinga kicho korobekana ku mwaka oyeta asabo igatabire nerebuya abana siasa gotigana kunya gotigana goswana na abasaye kunenchera ya mojo kubabeka umutu erebasoe ase chipara kogendera korobekana.
In the ministry we are ready to meet the families of those who unfortunately, Your Excellency, suffered as a result, lost their children as a result of these political acts. Your Excellency, it doesn't matter what happened. From a human perspective, we are ready to meet their families, have a conversation with them, and see what else we can do to support them. Your Excellency, our doors are open. And I am sure even your door is open, and the door of the IG is open for us to meet with those families. We want to ask those political scavengers to keep off and allow those families to visit us and let us have a conversation with them to see how best we are going to help them to move forward. The most unfortunate scenario happened last year at around this time on 25th of June. And in that situation, Parliament was invaded. I have spoken to ambassadors from other countries when they come visit, and I've said this. In UK, for example, if any person just tweeted or posted a post on any social media to say they will be visiting Buckingham Palace, or they will go to 10 Downing Street, or they will be going to Parliament, Your Excellency, nobody will wait for them to come to the street. They will be picked from their own houses and they will be charged. It is only in Kenya where a citizen will say they will invade Parliament, they will invade the judiciary, they will visit State House, and they still walk scot-free, not charged, and even when they are taken to court, Your Excellency, they will be released on, and they are told you can just go home for free. Kenyans need to appreciate that it is important to have the discipline that these men and women have. It's important to protect your nation, and there is nothing so good than living in a country that is so peaceful that these men and women will be supported from our ministry 100%, Your Excellency, to maintain law and order. And we have received a notice from some of the political actors who, Your Excellency, not just few months ago, they were standing where I'm standing. They were defending law and order. They were standing against the chaos. But Your Excellency are sitting now planning, buying machetes and rungus, trying to distribute to young people to cause violence in town. And they want us to sit here, fold our hands, and say that that is an Article 37 of our Constitution. Your Excellency, the national police and our police officer must be ruthless in dealing with such criminals.
Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja nigo agenderere kwegerera ekiombe ky'abanyanyimbo gusa abanyanyimbo ase atebire nigo bagenderete gukora emirimo emiya eri kurenda ense. Kanja nigo asiorese nigo abaenekeri abanyanyimbo kugendera gusirwa ne serikali yensi ya Kenya.
Most of the authorities that represent this country, both at regional and even at international levels, hoisting our flag high, are members of the National Police Service. I'm proud of them. The other thing that Your Excellency I would like to mention here is that I'm also a proud Inspector General of the National Police Service for the works that the officers of the National Police Service have continued to do for this country to ensure that our country have remained safe and secure despite the many challenges that we have been going through. And I want to assure them that we stand with them, we support them, we want them to execute their mandate to ensure that our country remains safe from north to south, from east to the west. The Kenya country must remain the same. It is only the only country that we have here. That is our motherland. And I want our officers and I want to assure them to continue in that trajectory and ensure that our country remains safe and secure.
Chingaki abasabe kegoria jenzi baroberete gocha korobekana abo ankyo erio kuinyora abamu abo bari basiretie amakimabo omwako weta chingaki cyo korobekana ere kwamiriria ogwetu wa finance bill niego abarai osabara ibeso kire na korwa oboseme gocha sabasa abo korobekana asomorembe bataria gosaria enibo ya abantu aseboigo barure okuburia gocha sabanyanyimbo tibatumeka chinguru wetania ekerengo chingaki abasa abo bagocha korobekana ritkoria ankyo.
Najua kuna maandamano ya watoto wetu the Gen Zs. Ni ombi letu kama wazazi kuwaomba kwa sababu within the constitution it is their right kupicket na kudemonstrate ndio waweze kujieleza ni shida gani wako nazo, kwa sababu tuko na shida mingi ambazo ziko kati yetu. Lakini kama wazazi na viongozi tunaomba tu wenye watatokelezea wakuwe na utulivu na heshima na respect kwa vitu za wananchi wale wengine na pia kwa health ya kila yeyote. Tunawaomba tu tukiweza kuepukana na maneno ya injuries, tukiweza kuepukana na watu kuibiwa mali zao au kuharibiwa mali zao, na pia tunaomba askari wetu wachunge hawa watoto vizuri, waweze kujieleza kwa sababu hiyo ni constitutional right yao, na wao wasitumie zile silaha wamepewa kiholela au ovyo ovyo. Hatutaki kuona maneno kama ile imekuwa, especially wakati huu tunasikia kuna mmoja ameaga kwa sababu kuna askari ambao wametumia ile silaha ako nayo vibaya. Wacha tuseme kila yeyote ako na health yake ya kuchunga health na properties za watu wale wengi.
Chitagika cha utokire komine Isano igure Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabo no mugaso na rayo kore Ekeonga asenchira yo wenge komento chukwira nagega tokeretere ayo amona yande twarubure iborobia asembero bya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingagi ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate dumrang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikonyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asobwango eduke yega ya ouru superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucuri go busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.